What's up, guys? Welcome back for another one. Gonna do something pretty cool today. We talked in the last video about the Audi getting rear-ended, damage, all that stuff. We're gonna put a band-aid on it for now, but that's not slowing us down. So doing some real basic things. In my opinion, it's one of the coolest mods you can do to do like just subtle make the car look a little bit more tough, more of that track spec look that we're kind of going for. So stock, the car actually comes with wheel bolts. That is just like I think it's just like a German car thing. But what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna work on a stud conversion. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of those bolts. And what we got here is pretty much everything we're gonna need to get this taken care of. So we've got our stud kit. This one comes from Eurotuning.com. It's a 90 millimeter basically stud, and it threads in where the axle or where the lug bolt would normally. Say put Loctite on it. I'm a bigger fan of anti-seize. This thing's not going to come out. It's not going to rattle loose as long as it's torqued right. And I've had these lock up in there to the point where I can't change rotors on my old car. So I'd rather check it often and have this not get stuck in there. And then from there, we've got new lug nuts. These are like tuner style lug nuts. These are from, I think it's called like Summit Off-Road technically. So yeah, all black, should be 17 mil as well. Yep, so good to go. We'll pop this first wheel off and we'll show you how it goes. All right, now, so as you can see, we've got the wheel removed. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get our new wheel studs. We'll get them all out. First 5. What we'll do is we'll just put just a little dab of anti-seize on there. Nothing crazy, and yeah, we'll just go down the line. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and tighten these down. We're going to go ahead and turn our torque wrench down, our impact down to number 2. If you don't have an electric impact, if you're using a pneumatic one, that's fine, but like this is literally the best tool I've ever bought. I grew up with air impacts. But I use this thing more than any other tool in my garage. It's awesome. So turned it down so we don't break anything, and we'll just drive those in. All right, so what we'll do now is we're going to go ahead and put the wheel back on. These are coming back off pretty soon to clean the car up for a little car show we got coming up, but we're just going to throw it back on, see how it looks. So I like to put just a tiny dab of anti-seize on these as well. This is going to keep our threads nice, since we will have these on and off a lot. So the other thing that's nice about these is that they're if you've ever put wheels on with lug bolts, it's kind of a tricky thing, because you have to literally balance everything in place while you try to get that first one started. After that it's cake, but until then it's a little rough. So we'll go ahead and drive these on nice and slow. See how it looks. Alright, so we got all this tightened down. As you can tell, it's kind of a cool look, a lot more rugged and racy. These are the 90mm studs. I believe they're 14 by 1.5. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the rest of them, and we'll see what the car looks like on the ground. All right, so everything's together now, back on the ground, torqued down. Pretty cool look. Like I said, it's just like a little bit more of a race car type of look, and you know, looks a little bit more beefy. And I think it is stronger too. You know, definitely has a lot more bite on those lug nuts compared to the lug bolts. If I need to throw spacers on for whatever reason, it's not a big deal. Got plenty of stud there, so real happy with it. Like I said, this is just like a small little mod, but for me it makes a big difference. And yeah, so that's gonna do it. Like I said, another video for now. We'll be doing some more. This poor thing, man, busted taillight, all that stuff's getting fixed soon. So appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share, all the things. Go to eurotuning.com. Not a sponsored video, I just love their stuff. Super fast shipping, really easy to deal with. Yeah, go check them out. If you have any questions, let me know. Shoot me a comment, and I'll talk to you soon. See you later.